Yes, good morning guys and welcome back to another YouTube video here today analyzing the dollar index and the major dollar pairs. So the dollar index yesterday has continued to push up slightly higher. As we can currently see, we have, after reaching that area of lower demand here on the 4-hour time frame, saw that reversal V-shaped in towards the highs. As we all know, yesterday we saw that change of character. This is the buy before the sell over here, acting as your area of supply. This area of supply until now has not really facilitated any further push down, so I'm still looking to see if we're going to break this high over here, continue up higher and break out in towards the upside. So this is more likely going to happen for the rest of today. I'm definitely looking for further upside. Moving onwards in towards EURUSD. EURUSD has been moving very choppy, change of characters all over the place, breaking up higher, breaking up lower. So at the moment I'm just focusing purely on this area of demand over here, going to see if that is going to give us the desired reaction to continue up higher. If that area breaks, then I would definitely be looking for at least a push back down in towards over here. So that is that for your dollar and the dollar index. Moving on in towards AUDUSD. Now AUDUSD is very important to analyze on the daily time frame, because on the daily time frame we can very clearly see that we've now tapped in towards a strong area of supply with liquidation positioned right below that area of supply. So definitely looking for kind of that full-blown reversal back in towards the downside, or at least back down pretty much in toward this, let's say, area of consolidation over here. So slightly lower prices definitely expected for Aussie dollar. Overall, we've seen a break of structure. After a break of structure, what do we expect? We expect a pullback in towards the downside. Where do you expect a pullback from? From an area of supply. So yeah, looking for a deeper pullback, maybe even all the way down in towards here. That is now on the cards for Aussie dollar, but that will definitely be dependent on how we react to this area of daily demand over here. So if we react bullish to that area of daily demand, then obviously we'll be looking for higher prices in the shorter term. Now that is Aussie dollar. Moving on in towards pound dollar. So pound dollar, let me just change screen. So pound dollar over here from a daily perspective, very similar to Aussie dollar, has also pushed in towards an important area of supply. So definitely looking for a further downside push. Going in towards the 4-hour time frame, we can then see that we don't really have any clear indication of where price is currently at. What I'm looking for mainly is just to see how this overall correction in towards the upside is going to unfold. For now, keep an eye on this lower level of, or on this lower change of character wick. If we break that, I'll be looking for a further downside short. So that is that for pound dollar. Yeah, looking at a daily perspective, we've liquidated the high over here. We've tapped in towards supply, so still looking for that further downside correction. Going in towards 15, you can see that we're consolidating. We have taken out the range high over here by giving us this V-shaped reaction in towards downside. Liquidity is still open underneath the lows, so preferably I want to see a push down for the rest of today. Going in towards our last pair, which is NZDUSD and gold. So two last pairs. NZDUSD has been pushing down lower. Going in towards the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we've already started to break a little bit. To be honest, I don't really like this pair too much. I would have preferred to see slightly higher push in towards the upside, but then again, overall this is the entire buy before the sell here on the left. So what I'm pretty much just going to be looking for is to follow the overall order flow further in towards the downside, at least in towards that area of consolidation, which I also mentioned in yesterday's video. Going in towards the daily, that is also an area of interest. We're coming from supply and we're now looking to trade NZDUSD back down in towards demand. Okay, so last of all, gold, what has been happening, we've been pushing down slightly lower. As you guys know, I've got my eyes open on this area of demand over here. Once we tap in towards there, we will be looking for longs. Until then, you can keep an eye on some shorts in line with the overall order flow. So just keep an eye if there's any nice setup forming, which could give you a further shorting opportunity back down in towards this overall area of consolidation, which should act as an area of demand to push price back up higher. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. Wish you all a fantastic day and speak soon. Thanks.